What is the one word for influence or urge by gentle urging, caressing, or flattering? The correct answer is wheedle. What is the one word for bestow a quality on? The correct answer is impart. What is the one word for the quality of being showy, extravagant, or elaborate? The correct answer is flamboyance. What is the one word for a saying that is widely accepted on its own merits? The correct answer is maxim. What is the one word for a compound made artificially by chemical reactions? The correct answer is synthetic. What is the one word for occurring in the same period of time? The correct answer is contemporary. What is the one word for a state of misfortune or affliction? The correct answer is adversity. What is the one word for consider in a comprehensive way? The correct answer is appraise. What is the one word for a reduction in quality or strength? The correct answer is impairment. What is the one word for make payment to, compensate? The correct answer is remunerate. What is the one word for internal organs collectively? The correct answer is viscera. What is the one word for an impressive display or assortment? The correct answer is array. What is the one word for a condensed but memorable saying embodying an important fact? The correct answer is adage. What is the one word for leniency and compassion shown toward offenders? The correct answer is clemency. What is the one word for someone who takes more time than necessary? The correct answer is laggard. What is the one word for move or swing back and forth? The correct answer is brandish. What is the one word for the act of producing offspring? The correct answer is propagation. What is the one word for an auxiliary activity? The correct answer is avocation. What is the one word for having or showing arrogant superiority? The correct answer is overbearing. What is the one word for an insufficient quantity or number? The correct answer is paucity.